Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to visit Pradhanpatt Waterfall. This waterfall is situated in Debgarh district of Odisha. It is one of the popular waterfalls of Odisha. Friends, Odisha is famous for its rich culture, art, and beautiful travel destinations. There are many waterfalls in Odisha, but Pradhanpatt has its own beauty. Friends, this is the main attraction point of Debgarh district. This is only 4 to 5 kilometers away from the district headquarters and is well connected through road from the other major cities of Odisha. Friends, this is a very calm place and I am sure that you will definitely enjoy this place. It is advisable that you should visit this place in winters because the humidity is very high in the summer and it is not advisable to visit it in the monsoon due to heavy rainfall. So, when are you planning to visit this beautiful waterfall? Friends, if you like our video, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.